Alright, so today I'm going to be putting on a manual IS300 wheel on my LS400. So what I did first is I took off the OEM wheel, and then to do that I just used a Torx 30 to get these 4 screws off. There's 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then this OEM airbag will pop off. This big dude. That guy will just pop off. And so what I did is I kept the clock spring, the LS400 clock spring, because the cruise control plug is the same, but the actual airbag connector is different. So I had to splice in and put this is the IS300 airbag connector end of it, splicing into the LS400 clock spring. So it's literally, if I can get this right, it's just yellow to yellow and then blue to blue on the wiring. Nothing too big. And then this end will just plug right into the IS300 airbag right here. Alright, and so then that nut is on, so now it's nice and straight and sturdy. And then this just plugs in, boom, right there into the LS400. This will go into the airbag, and then we make sure this guy's on so we have our horn function. And so I put in the 2 screws that hold in the airbag in, and that's our final look with it.